Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to retrieve your Linksys Wi-Fi password without logging into the router or using the Linksys Smart Wi-Fi app. As long as you have a laptop already connected to the network, you can view the saved Wi-Fi password in just a few clicks. This is super useful if you forgot your password or need to share it with someone at home. Let's get started. If you're still using a Windows 10 laptop, here's the quickest way to check your saved Linksys Wi-Fi password. First, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click the Wi-Fi icon on the system tray. Now click on the Network and Internet settings. Once the status page opens, look toward the bottom and select Network and Sharing Center. The Network and Sharing Center window will be displayed. Click the Wi-Fi name next to Connections to open its status window. Just take note that this is your active wireless connection. In the Wi-Fi status window, click Wireless Properties. Now open the Security tab and check Show Characters. This will reveal the saved Wi-Fi password. And there it is. The Wi-Fi password will display in the Network Security key field. If you're on Windows 11, the steps look slightly different from Windows 10 because the menus and layout have changed. Here's the quickest way to view your saved Linksys Wi-Fi password on a Windows 11 laptop. First, right-click on the Wi-Fi icon on the bottom right corner of your screen and select Network and Internet Settings. Once you're on the Network and Internet Settings page, click on Wi-Fi. Under the Wi-Fi page, select the properties of your Wi-Fi network. This is the network that you're currently connected to. In this example, my laptop is connected to the Linksys 00116 network name, so I will click Linksys 00116 properties. Next, find the Wi-Fi network password and click Show to reveal it. Your Wi-Fi password will now appear. You can also scan the QR code to connect quickly. Finally, if you're on a Mac running the latest macOS Tahoe, here's the easiest way to view your saved Wi-Fi password without accessing your router or any apps. Let's wrap up with this last method. Start by clicking the Apple icon in the top left corner, then select System Settings. Next, go to Wi-Fi, scroll down, and click Advanced. Locate the Wi-Fi network you're connected to and click the three-dot menu next to it. After clicking the three-dot menu next to your connected Wi-Fi network, you'll see the option to copy password. Click it to copy your password. Finally, paste the copied text into any text editor to view the saved password. And that's it. Now you know how to retrieve your Linksys Wi-Fi password on Windows 10, Windows 11, and macOS Tahoe, all without accessing your router. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.